The first thing that we need to do for this question is create an array called numbers, and we need to put these numbers in. So you can copy and paste that from the question. Then what we need to do is find the lowest number in the array, the highest, and the total. So we need to create three variables. Highest, set it to 0, lowest number possible. Lowest, set that to highest number, any high number that is higher than any of the numbers in the array. And then total, and set that to 0. Once we've done that, we have to loop through the array to find what each number is. So for x in range, this is a for loop that goes from 0, so index 0, up to the length of numbers, so up to the end of the array, so all the way throughout the array. Once we've done that, we need to add the total to number x. So number x is 5 because it starts with 0. Then the next x index is 1, then 2, then 78, 8, 2, 5, and so on. So x will always increment by 1, which means it will add all of these numbers to the total. Once we've done that, we need to compare that specific number in the array with the highest. So if that number is greater than highest, so if it's greater than 0, then we need to set highest to that specific number. So this will always happen because 0 is the lowest possible, and highest will always be set to the new number, which is 5. But once it's set to 5, then it will go through the whole process again. It will check 5 with 2, 5 with 78, and it will keep adding new highest until the end. Then if the number x is less than lowest, so if any of these numbers is less than the lowest, then what we need to do is we set lowest to that specific number. Once we've done that, we need to calculate the average. So to calculate the average, it's the total divided by the length of numbers, which means the length of the array. How many numbers is inside that array? Then what we do is we print the total, average, lowest, and then highest. So we need to display all of these on the screen, and then we're done.